Hi everyone, welcome back. I hope you all are doing great. Well, today I just thought of speaking about something which is related to our interest, right? So, we all live in a very busy world. We don't have time for things. We are so engrossed in our everyday or day to day life that we don't get time to do anything else. Whatever our 9 to 5 routine is, we just follow that, whether we go to school, college, or offices. And when we come back, we get tired and we spend some time relaxing and then we go and sleep. So we don't get even time to speak to our family also or spend some quality time with our family and friends as well. So we are in a very busy world, in a hectic world, in a very fast paced culture where it gets very difficult for us to take out time for any new thing. So guys, today I'm going to talk about our interests, our hobbies, or our free time activities which we should do or we should pursue in spite of our busy schedule, because these hobbies, these activities, these things de-stresses us, energizes us, rejuvenates us, brings new energy into us. So I'm going to talk about those hobbies or free time activities or habits or things we need to inculcate in ourselves so that it brings new energy, new light, new life in ourselves. On that note, guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your communications coach and a soft skill trainer by profession, and I'm here to help you out with all your communications problems and to help you speak English fluently and confidently. So, guys, today I'm going to take up this topic of what hobbies or free time activities we should pursue so that it helps us in re-energizing ourselves, rejuvenating ourselves, or motivating ourselves or keeping us positive and healthy in this hush hush or hectic life schedule. If you want to watch my full video, if you want to know more about things or conversational topics or how to speak English fluently and confidently, do subscribe my channel, like and share my videos. Write your comments in the comment section and don't forget to press the notification icon. And last but not the least, thank you guys for subscribing my channel. I take a lot of efforts in coming up with my videos so that it helps you. And that is why I've chosen conversational videos, which is a practice session for you, which will actually help you to practice English speaking. We know a lot of theoretical, we have a lot of theoretical knowledge, we have a lot of people who talk about how to speak English fluently and confidently. They give us a lot of tips, tricks, ideas, methods and whatnot. But it comes down to practice. When you have actual topic, when you have actual conversational situations and you start speaking on it, it will be far more helpful for you to attain fluency and confidence. So that is what my idea is and that is what my effort is to help you with. So that is why I come up with topics which are real life topics, which comes up in real life situations and conversations. In our day-to-day conversations, I take up those topics and I speak in front of you so that it's easy for you to understand, relate and speak on it. My English is very simple, very easy. I frame simple sentences so that you can use it and you can practice it in this way. What you can do is you can either speak with me, you can repeat after me, you can shadow with me, you can take my idea and speak on your own, or you can have your own ideas and speak on it. You can do a lot of things, guys, with this practice session. You just have to switch on a video cam, or you have to stand in front of the mirror or your audio recorder so that you can listen to it, you can understand what mistakes you're doing, where you're going wrong, what is your body language, everything else. You can correct it. So that is why video recording or audio recording or looking at you while speaking is very important. Follow all my advices and start practicing it for at least a month and you will see the difference for sure. So let's come back to the topic now. So we are in a very competitive world. We don't have time. We are busy doing things, earning money, fulfilling our dreams, making our ends meet and whatnot. So we all are busy in all these things, in the worldly trap. When we have to take out time, to play with our kids or probably spend some time with the family, it gets very difficult. right? Because we are so tied up that we don't get time. Saturday, Sundays also we are so busy. We have lots of other responsibilities to fulfill. We have to take care of our house, we have to take care of our groceries, we have to attend some events or meet our friends or relatives. There are lots of other things we have to do, right? So we get very limited time to give to our family or things related to us, like our mental health, our physical health, we just ignore at times, right? But I have a very simple solution for it. If you want to be mentally and physically fit, you need to pursue some hobbies which will directly or indirectly help you physically and mentally. These hobbies are very simple, these activities are very simple. You don't have to take out time. It's just that you have to get into the habit of practicing this or doing this. Okay, the first thing is reading. Get into the habit of reading. It is going to help you in many ways. Many ways. It's just not about you, if it will help you to speak English fluently and confidently or to learn a language. It has far more benefits, right? So take out time, at least 10-15 minutes in a day to practice reading or to do reading. It's very simple, guys. When you wake up in the morning, you're spending some time, having a cup of tea or whatever you do in the morning, just relaxing or meditating. After that, take out a book, read one page or read two paragraphs. That's all. Of any book, whatever your interest is. If you are interested in spirituality, motivational, autobiography, love story, comic, whatever kind of, book you want to read. If you want to read a newspaper, well and good. You can read a newspaper. So get into the habit of reading at least. That is really going to help you physically, mentally, and in many other things. You will gain knowledge out of it. You will get relaxed, mentally relaxed. If you're reading a spiritual book, if you're reading a motivational book or autobiography, definitely you will get motivated, re-energized. You will feel energy from within, right? You will be positive. You'll become more positive about things while reading books on these topics. So choose a topic which will help you to de-stress. Okay, that is very important. So you have to choose the right book. So this is the first thing you can do. Second activity you can do is cooking. I understand we all don't get time to cook much, but it's just that on Sundays or Saturdays, whenever you're free, one time you can just try your hands on cooking. It really de-stresses you, it relaxes you, it calms you down. It really helps you to re-energize. Trust me on this, it has a very calming effect on ourselves, physically and mentally. So take out some time, go to YouTube or see what recipe you can make and just start doing it. At least on Sundays, you can cook a good lunch or brunch for your family, right? And take help from your family members also. Get them involved in it. Somebody will do cutting, somebody will do chopping, somebody will do, probably frying, somebody will do something else. Get everybody engaged in that. Make it an activity, a family activity. It will help you to spend time with your family also, and it will relax you mentally and physically as well. And you will enjoy the time, you will enjoy your lunch or brunch, whatever you are having. So you will enjoy it as well. Start doing it, start practicing this. It's very simple, very easy, and it's very helpful. The third one is gardening. I know not everybody is interested in gardening, but I think a lot of people love gardening as well. So if you have a terrace, a small terrace, you can just start planting something in your garden, flowers, or you can come up with a small kitchen garden also. Some herbs you can plant, right? Like coriander leaves, mint leaves, tulsi leaves, and all those things. So lots of varieties of things which has come up now you can plant in your garden. So you can make a small kitchen garden also. You can have some flowers and plants also in your terrace. So you can do a lot of things. You can start with gardening also. Start with small, few plants, 2-3 plants you keep. You can keep indoor plants also, right? So these are real small ways of distracting yourself from your busy life. It will help you to de-stress and relax. And you can involve your family members also in that. You can go to the nursery and start shopping for plants. Go out with your family, get some plants in, and start putting those together with your family members. It will be a family activity. You will de stress, you will relax, you will calm down, you will forget all your stress, right? So, small activities really help you. So, try doing this as well. The fourth one is music. Of course, music helps everybody to calm down, right? So, we all can listen to music when you are stressed or you want to relax. You can just put your headphone on and you can just listen to some music. You can listen to some spiritual stuffs as well, right? You can do some yoga also or exercise also to relax yourself. That is another good thing. So music, yoga or spiritual content you can just listen to or watch, which will help you to relax yourself. This is the best way to relax and calm yourself down, right? So you can do it. This is an individual thing, so you can do it whenever you are going to sleep or when just you have woken up. So you can do this for 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 15 minutes, whatever time you get, and try to increase it. So that will be a great help again. The last one I would say is going out with your family. Now, going out over lunch or dinner, or what you can do is if you have kids, you can go out to the game zone. If you don't have kids, also, that's not a problem. You can just go to the game zone. Everybody can enjoy there, right? Go out with your friends there, play some game, relax there, or if you want, you can go for shopping, right? So, these things you can do it. These things will help you to relax yourself, to get away from the hustle and bustle, to get rid of all those routine tasks which you are doing. This will help you to calm yourself down, re-energize, rejuvenate, motivate. It will help you to motivate yourself, stay positive. Like there's life beyond what you are doing, and you can enjoy life in this way as well. So that is the idea of coming up with a hobby or doing any free time activity to relax yourself, right? So there are n number of ways you can do it. These are few which I prefer to do. So that is why I thought of speaking to you, because we are in an age where we all are very stressed and we are always preoccupied with something or the other, that I have to do this and the next is this and then this, and we don't think about our mental and physical health. Okay, so it's not possible for everybody to go to the gym to take care of physical health, right? But there are lots of other ways also you can take care of mental and physical health. Reading, listening to stuffs which is more about health and lifestyle, right? So you can, those things, if you can listen to it, will bring small changes in yourself. You will get to know a lot of new things, and you can just start practicing those things which will help you in your well-being, in your overall lifestyle. If you change your lifestyle, things will change, right? You will get to know about a lot of things which will help you to cope up with the pressure, the stress, right? So these are the things we have to bring into our practice so that it helps us in our mental and physical well-being, so that we can be mentally and physically fit. And once we are mentally and physically fit, of course, we can take on stress. We can handle our burnouts. So when you're getting stressed, you don't get energy, you're not physically very active, then you have to take out time to get these things into your daily habits or routine so that it can help you to become physically and mentally fit, right? So this is very essential, guys. Take care of these things. Please try to incorporate these things in your life so that you can live better and a healthy life, right? Lifestyle nowadays has become very different, right? Everybody's lifestyle is very different now, and we need these things to incorporate in our system or in our lifestyles to make it better. So guys, I'm sure this was a very easy and relatable topic, and I'm sure you also might have some suggestions and some points to add to this. So take up this topic, start speaking on your own, take my ideas, maybe combine together all those ideas and start speaking about it. It is really going to help you, because nowadays when we go to office, when you go to college, or we meet somebody, our relatives, friends, family members, or anybody else, we discuss all these things. We are concerned about our lifestyle, we are concerned about our health, we are concerned about our mental health and physical health. We want to find a solution. So guys, if you start practicing in this way, it's really going to help you to improve your English speaking a lot. I'm sure this session is going to help you. That's all for today. I'll be back in my next session. Until then, keep watching, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep exploring. See you. Bye bye.